Welcome to Finance Doctor, your go-to source for decoding the modern finance function. Today, we're diving into a powerful shift in how CFOs lead. Let's start with a truth bomb. The modern CFO doesn't just run finance. They run a system, made up of 21 core processes that shape every corner of the business. But here's the problem. Most finance leaders aren't struggling because they lack skill. They're overwhelmed because they haven't mapped the full scope of what they're responsible for. Reporting, budgeting? Sure. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Enter the Finance Process House, a blueprint for how top CFOs deliver real value across 5 critical domains: operations, FP&A, accounting, tax, treasury, control and risk, cost management, internal audit, regulatory oversight, strategic enablement, capital allocation, M&A, investor relations, infrastructure, systems, buy tools, policy, people and partnerships, comp plans, vendor strategy, development. Together, these form the backbone of modern finance leadership. Here's the challenge: most teams don't manage these like a system. They treat them as random projects. Or worse, daily emergencies. And that's exactly what keeps finance reactive, not strategic. This summer is your chance to pause, zoom out, and ask the questions that matter. What do we actually own? Where are we firefighting instead of leading? What's been documented with real KPIs behind it? Because the CFOs who thrive ahead will be the ones who shift from scattered tasks to structured systems. Finance isn't just a department. It's architecture. It needs structure. It needs leadership. It needs you. And leadership starts with visibility. When you map the full picture, across roles, tools, workflows, and goals, you unlock something powerful: clarity. And with clarity comes confidence. This isn't about adding complexity. It's about removing chaos. Getting your finance house in order doesn't mean fixing everything overnight. It means designing with intention, leading with precision, and acting before things break. So take the first step. Zoom out. Rethink the foundation. And rebuild, one smart decision at a time. Want more insights like this? Check out the other videos on Finance Doctor. We break down strategy, process, and performance like no one else.